Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. For those of you who wish to be so bold and daring and replace the main spring in your Bolex H-16mm camera, I'll give you those dimensions. However, I first must strongly suggest that you seek a knowledgeable technician to perform this repair, as it's very dangerous. This main spring can cause severe harm to human flesh, including one mistake that you make with your Bolex. It can instantly become junk. However, for those of you who wish to be so bold and making the dare for the repair, or replacement rather, here are those dimensions. The entire length of the Bolex mainspring is 13 feet 9 inches long. Width 14 millimeters. Thickness, 1/2 millimeter. The hole at the end of the spring that fits here into the motor barrel. Horizontally, 7.5 millimeters. Vertically, 5 millimeters. The hole in the center of the spring, at the end of it, in the top, that is for the arbor. Here. This is an arbor that fits inside the center, just like so. And this is the arbor pin. Those dimensions are 7 millimeters horizontally, and the arbor vertically is 4 millimeters. So you're probably wondering, where can I get one of these main springs? Well, you can contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page, or email me at bolexrepairphilippines@gmail.com, and you can order one from me. If you decide to go with someone else, you can get one from anyone who repairs and services vintage clocks. Also, you can go to your local market that sells push mowers and chainsaws, and if you want to go that route, and these are clutch spring motors that go inside of the pull section of the chainsaw to turn it on, as well as your push mower. So before you go out and start dismantling your lawn equipment in your shed, contact me first at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page. Email me at bolexrepairphilippines@gmail.com, and do click that subscribe button. You'll also need, once you get your spring in, you'll need to maybe cut it a little short, and you'll need to take your drill and file and manufacture your own hole there, and probably the one here at the top as well. Okay? It's a difficult job, and it's a dangerous job, but that's it. Until next time, see ya.